Good day, my love, and welcome to this guided aura cleansing meditation to help remove negative energy and fill your aura with positive healing energy so that you can feel strong and protected. Start by turning off the lights in your room and then sit or lie down in a way that allows you to fully relax. Make sure your spine is nice and straight but relaxed. Now simply sit in silence for a moment, allowing your body and mind to find a state of inner peace and calmness. So breathe calmly and naturally, and let the surface you sit or lie on center you and ground your mind and body. Let the bed or floor pull you down, making you feel steady and so relaxed. Take in every sensation you feel and be fully present in this peaceful moment of self-healing. Now turn your focus to your body. See your body and be in your body. You notice that your body is surrounded by this thin layer of blue vibrating light, like electricity, following your breath and following your movements. This is your aura, your personal energy body, an energy shield protecting you and surrounding you. As you breathe in, you notice that your aura is moving closer to your body, and as you breathe out, it expands slightly. But your aura is not only moving outside of your body, it is merged with your body, moving in and out of your skin, a part of your outer and inner body, a part of you and a part of your energy. So as you breathe in, your aura is pulled inwards, inside of your body, penetrating your skin, but staying close to the surface. And as you breathe out, this aura of energy expands into the surroundings. Everything moves with such organized harmony, such balance, and such peace. Now breathe in deeply and imagine that you are breathing in through your body, through your aura, breathing in energy from all around you, healing energy and universal energy. Feel the energy fill your aura, making it stronger and restoring its powerful glow of pure blue light. Release negative energy as you breathe out. Remove it from your body and remove it from your aura. Cleanse your aura and allow it to heal and balance. So breathe in this pure divine energy from all around you, breathing into your aura and breathing into your energy body. Fill yourself with this positive healing energy and give your aura time to heal as you breathe in this powerful universal light and make it a part of you. Keep breathing in this pure light, making your aura strong and vibrant, and connecting with the energies around you. See your aura expand as new energy is being absorbed into your personal energy shield, creating a strong barrier around you, open to positive energy, but repelling negative energy. Your aura is attracting positivity and keeps out unwanted energies so that you can stay safe, stay protected, and stay healthy. So strengthen your aura with each breath you take and let it glow with pure blue light of spiritual energy, a part of Earth and a part of the universe, connected and in perfect harmony. Now your aura is healed, restored and recharged with pure universal energy. Feel the vibration, a vibration of powerful spiritual energy surrounding you and protecting you. You are now ready to go about your day, knowing you are safe, healthy, and healed. So take a deep breath and then very gently open your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this meditation, or help support this channel on Patreon or by joining my membership by clicking the join button under this video. Thank you so much for all of your help and generosity. I am Jay Bittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.